We'll guide you through how to download and install the Amazon shopping app on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having the Amazon app on your device is so convenient because then you can easily go and shop on Amazon. You can go and order things, go and check out your current orders, track them, etc. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. So you do need to make sure you've got a connection to the internet, whether that's through your mobile or cellular data or Wi-Fi. I've got Wi-Fi. Now, what you need to do is go and open up the Play Store. You should find it on your home screen. You can always swipe up and search for it at the top if needed. Now, what you can do is you can go and press search at the bottom. You're probably going to be on apps or games. Then what you can do is go and press search bar at the top. You can go and browse through the store for it, but I find it quicker just to go and search for it. So we'll go and type in Amazon. Now, as you can see, here it is, Amazon. You can go to, it's got 1 billion downloads. You can press install to the right. You can tap on it there if you want to go and read some info about it. It's now going to go and download, as you can see. Let's go and be patient while this goes and completes. It's now installing. It shouldn't go and be too much longer. And then that cancel will go and change to open. So I can go and open it from here, or I can go and swipe up and we can swipe across and find Amazon. Of course, you can search for it at the top as well. Now it's going to go and open up and you can get started. You do need to go and create an account in order to go and order things though. I've already got one here. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.